This elegant look you will have on your PC or laptop display. Hello friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to get elegant look for your PC or laptop. First, pin your browser to Taskbar. Then from here, uncheck Show Desktop Icons. Now right-click on Taskbar and click on Hide. Right-click on Taskbar and uncheck Show Cortana button. Do the same for Task View button and Show People on Taskbar. Now go to Taskbar settings and turn on these options. Right-click here and turn off. Now drag small icons here. Uncheck the keyboard button as well. Also uncheck Lock the Taskbar. Now check the Links option. And drag it to the left side and these icons to the center. Now go to Browser. And in search box type rainmeter.net. Link is also given in the description below and press Enter. From here, click on Download. Once it is downloaded, then click on it. Then click on Next and Install. And Finish. Now right-click on it and unload skin. Do it for remaining as well. Now again, go to Browser and in search box type visualskins.com/skin/mond. And click on Download. Once it is downloaded, then click on it, then click on Install. Then click on Close Settings. Right-click on it and unload skins. Do it for remaining as well. Now again, go to Browser and type visualskins.com/skin/simple-clean. Link is also given in the description below. Then download it from here. Once it is downloaded, then click on it and click on Install. Now unload skins one by one. Go to Browser and type. Link is also given in the description below. From here, select photo of your choice. I chose this one. Then click on this arrow. Once it is downloaded, then click on it. . Then right-click on image and click on Set as Background. Now click on Rainmeter icon. Then Mond, then Clock, then from here, load it. And bring it to center. Again, click on Rainmeter. Click on Simple Clean and then Visualizer, then load it from her and bring it little bit up. Then right-click on it and click on Edit Skin. Then go down little and here remove font color and type white. Do the same here as well and remove Coma 50. Now go all the way down and remove font color and type white. Then click on File and click on Save. Then refresh Skin. Now let me show you some visualizer effect on audio. This elegant look you will have on your PC or laptop display.